Hello there, it's Ellie here, and in this video I am going to be talking about how to make payments by using Bitcoin. I'm personally using several online earning accounts now that require you to make a payment by using Bitcoin, and I have several team members who are asking exactly how to do that, what the process is, and I just thought I would show you exactly how to do the Bitcoin payments into two of my accounts, my earning accounts that I'm using. So the two accounts that I'm talking about right now are Crypto Pros and Cryptos Builder. Okay, so first of all, let's just have a look at Crypto Pros and the deposit options that you have for here. So once you're logged into Crypto Pros and you're on your dashboard, you will see that there's various different tabs at the top, and the one that we're looking for right now is the Finance tab. So if you click on there, you will see that there are various different options. Now, you've got the Purchase Bronze Ad Pack. So if you're brand new to Crypto Pros, then you can use this option, and that's for the $2 purchase for a single bronze pack position. You can purchase the Platinum subscription, which is the higher cost one. You can add money to your purchase wallet. So for example, if you want to have some extra funds available in your Crypto Pros account so that you can PIF people into your team, for example, then this is the one that you will want to be using. You can't put money into your cash wallet. The cash wallet is for money that comes back out again. And the repurchase wallet, you can't put money into that one either. That's an automatic system where a small amount of your earnings goes into the repurchase so that you're getting more and more positions. And of course then there's the withdrawal. So you would use that if you're wanting to actually take money out of your cash wallet. So the options really that you have whenever you're wanting to pay money into Crypto Pros are the Purchase Bronze Ad Pack, the Purchase Platinum subscription, or your Purchase Wallet. Now, if you're not sure which ones to use, then I would suggest that you use your Purchase Wallet, because you can use your Purchase Wallet then to buy any of these options. So if you're clicking on Purchase Wallet, then you will see that there is a form that pops up, and it just asks you, what your payment method is. So on here, as you can see, the only payment option that's available is via the site called CoinPayments. And this is exactly the same then for the other account. I'll log into it in a minute. But you can move money here from your CoinPayments, or as it shows you here, transfer funds from your cash balance to your purchase wallet. So your cash balance, you can either withdraw that or you can move it across into your purchase wallet. For now, I'm going to be talking about moving funds from outside of Crypto Pros into the account. So just click then on Continue, and it's going to ask you for the deposit amount. So as it shows you here, the minimum deposit amount is $2. So let's imagine we want to add $10 in here instead. So we'll click here to add funds, and then it will take you across to the option for CoinPayments. You just click on this button, and hey presto, you are now on the CoinPayments Add Funds page. So you can see at the top here that the program that you're using, it's Crypto Pros in this case. It's telling you exactly what you're wanting to do. So you're wanting to add funds to your purchase wallet via CoinPayments, and I have said that I want to add $10. Now, next thing, then you just need to select a coin. Now, personally, my funds are in a Bitcoin wallet, so I would choose BTC, which is the abbreviation for Bitcoin. if your funds are in a different coin, so it could be in Litecoin, in which case then you would use this option, or it could be Ethereum, so that would be this button that you use. So you just click on here. As I said, it would be Bitcoin. And then you just need to put in your email address and your name. Now, I've just blurred those out just for some security for my own account. But it's just your email address and then your name. So once you fill that in, click on Complete Checkout. And this is where you get the page which tells you where to make the payment to and the amount that you need to pay. So this is exactly the same process then for any deposits that you're wanting to make via the CoinPayments platform. So the address that you need to send the money to is this address. So you're just going to copy that address over into your wallet. And this is the amount then that you're wanting to pay. So, and I also personally always take a note as well of the payment ID. Now, I don't actually need to make a payment into my CryptoPros wallet. I'm actually going to be paying some money into my new account, which is Cryptos Builder. So I'll go through the whole process now for Cryptos Builder, showing exactly how I'm making the payment. But I just wanted to show people which options to use on CryptoPros, first of all, and to show that it's exactly the same, really. And I am just logged into a brand new account called Cryptos Builder. And I'm just about to do my deposit and purchase my subscription on here. So I just thought I would record it and let you see how I am doing it. So first of all, clicking on Deposit Funds. And you can see here that there's a minimum deposit of 0.0025. So you're just copying that across into the deposit box there, or obviously you can add more than that if you want to. This is the subscription amount, and this actually pays for your subscription for your positions in the matrix for 20 weeks. So the way it works is you are paying one subscription or one position per week for the 20 weeks out of this amount. So I am going to be using CoinPayments to make the deposit. So I'm just clicking here on Deposit. And as you can see here, it tells me, that I need to make the payment. So I'm just going to be using CoinPayments. Okay, so you can see here, Cryptos Builder is the membership fee and the amount, and I'm going to be using Bitcoin to make the payment, so I choose BTC here. I then need to enter my email for CoinPayments, my name, so then complete checkout. Okay, so once I do that, then this is the page that pops up. Now this page tells you the amount that you need to pay, the address that you need to pay it to, and it gives you your payment ID and things like that. You can see here that the payment is going to Cryptos Builder, and this is the amount of time that I have to actually make the payment. So I'm going to be using my Spectral Coin account to make the payment. So I'm just going to go over there. Okay, so you can see that I'm on the wallets page here right now, and this is my Bitcoin wallet. So click on View Account, go, and you can see I have enough in the account, and there will be a small fee as well. So I've got plenty of cash in there at the minute, to cover the amount. So I am just going to click on send. So I'm wanting to send money across to Crypto's builder. So the first thing it asks me for then is the Bitcoin address or email. So I need to put it into this box. So I'll just go back over to the CoinPayments page, and this is the address that I need to send money to. So I'm just copying that, and I enter the address in here. Now I always check the address is copied over correctly, and I have all of the details on there. So it's 3EE and MTY. So 3EE MTY. Okay, so next then I need to put in the withdrawal amount. So again, I just go back to the CoinPayments page and I just copy the amount here. Back over to SpectroCoin and put the amount that I need to send in the box. And it will tell me the full amount down here. Now what I personally like to do is to copy across the payment ID. And I put that in the memos box. And I will add Crypto's builder, so I know where the money is going to. Click on submit, and I get a confirmation. So just check everything is correct and then click on confirm. Now I get a second factor authentication key that I need to enter here, so I just need to get that from my email address. Okay, so I have logged into my Gmail, and this is the authentication key that I just need to copy over. Put it into the key box and then click on submit. So you can see here the request to send Bitcoins has been submitted, and if I go over to the CoinPayments page, then the chances are that will mark as sent in a few seconds. There we go, that's it, paid. So the amount then to the payment has been sent through to Crypto's builder, but it's probably going to take about an hour or so for it to actually appear in the account. So I will log in again then in about an hour and just check to see that the payment's there. Okay, so I have just logged into my account, and you can see that I now have a balance available of 0.0025. So first thing then that I need to do is just click over on purchase subscriptions and purchase. There we go. That's it, and the position will be credited to my account within 5 minutes, as you can see. Okay, so to find out more about how this system actually works, I'm just going to play this the actual video about it, because it explains everything perfectly. I don't need to say anything at all, so let's just play it and see.
Welcome to Crypto's Builder, your 20-week program to earn 10 Bitcoins. Our program takes your one-time fee of 0.0025 Bitcoin and spreads it over 20 weeks for your membership. Crypto's Builder is a simple 2x20 personally forced matrix with a twist on your renewals. Upon signing up, you will deposit 0.0025 Bitcoins and purchase your subscription. Every 7 days, your subscription will renew. Every time you purchase into the 2x20 matrix, you will receive quality advertising to our members in your back office. Your initial purchase will land you a new position under your sponsor. Every time your subscription renews, you will receive a new position under your top position. This is the twist we were talking about. Because your renewals are landing under top position, you are accomplishing 3 things. You are helping your sponsor fill their matrix. You are helping yourself fill your matrix. And you are helping your downline fill your matrix because of spillover. We have one simple goal for all of our members. Recruit just 2 referrals in your first week. If everyone can do this, you will be earning the 10 Bitcoins in just 20 weeks, plus the 100% matching bonus. That's right, you will earn 100% matching matrix bonus on all of your referrals. If you have a referral who earns 10 Bitcoins, you will also earn 10 Bitcoins. Have 5 referrals who earn a total of 5 Bitcoins, you will also earn 5 Bitcoins. This is the simplest and most unique income opportunity of 2020. With our PIF and global PIF features, we make referring easy as deposit and purchase. Get 2020 started with a bang. Join Crypto's Builder today.
Okay, so that's me with my positions, well, my first position in place and my subscription balance ready as well. So all I need to do now is work on getting a few more referrals. Already got a few there, as you can see. So yeah, I like the sound of 10 Bitcoin in 20 weeks. We'll see how close we can get. You never know. Okay, so that's it from me for now, and see you in another video. Take care now. Bye.